Okay, working on my 94, 95 Mustang GT. This is the upper intake manifold. I got it flipped upside down, got it off the engine. See over there. It's had a bad mystery vacuum leak. Been having a lot of trouble finding it, so I had to pull this off. And all these hoses are pretty stiff and hard. Sunday afternoon, having trouble finding anything shaped like this or anything, so I'm just putting a bunch of small when I squeeze on it with pliers, it does not crack. It's just real stiff. So I'm tightening up all these vacuum joints and see how that does. If I have to, I'll go back in there and replace these hoses, but there's a big tree of this that ties off to the positive crankcase ventilator. Flappy, you do happy. And then there's another, this hose here ties on, was dry rotted, and I got it cut off into a good spot in a hose clamp. And there's a bunch of other stuff that connects on this on it off of this tree right there. So one thing at a time. Thank you.